Hi, I'm Jessie. Welcome back to Houston. With the aging and the elimination of synchronous torque press brake, customers will consider the differences between new electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake and the traditional synchronous torque press brake when purchasing. Next, let's talk about these aspects. First, different structural principles. The biggest difference is that the structures on both sides of the bending slider are different to ensure synchronization. The synchronous torque press brake is synchronized by connecting the two cylinder pistons at the same time to rigid axes, and the electro-hydraulic servo is synchronized by the servo synchronization levers on both sides. Second, accuracy. The accuracy of electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake is high. There is real-time error feedback, and the bending slider has strong resistance to eccentric loads. The synchronous torque press brake has low synchronization accuracy, no error feedback, and the bending slider has poor resistance to eccentric loads. Third, speed. There are 2 points in the machine's operation that determine its running speed. The first is slide speed. The second is back gauge speed. The cylinder speed of synchronous torque press brake is slow, while the cylinder speed of electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake is fast. Therefore, the fast down speed and the return speed of electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake are much higher than those of synchronous torque press brake. Fourth, operation. Synchronous torque press brake is not equipped with a control system. The electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake is controlled by a professional CNC system, has V-axis compensation, is simple to operate, and requires low worker experience. It has a simulated bending function. No lofting is required. You only need to correct the dimensions of the drawing input steps and perform bending directly. Fifth, strength. Due to its own design reasons, synchronous torque press brake cannot perform off-load bending. Long-term off-load bending will cause the torsion shaft to deform. Electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake does not have such a problem. The Y1 and Y2 axes on the left and right sides operate independently, so they can bend with offset load. Have you understand the difference between the two through these comparisons? That's all. Thank you.